So today I'm going to show you how to connect your Squarespace website with the MailerLite email platform. It's a lot simpler than it seems, and I was surprised how easy this was. So let's go in. Once you're in MailerLite, what you want to do is go to integrations. And if you scroll down, we'll see the integration for Squarespace. Now, all you need to do is come down here and just copy this little bit of code. There's two ways of doing it. So you can just highlight it and copy, or just press the copy button here. Once we've done that, we need to inject this code into our Squarespace header. And that's very easy to do. So what we need to do is go into Pages, scroll down to Custom Code Injection. And you can see I have some code already here for AdSense. So I'm just going to go below that and paste. And then we save it. And there we go, straight away. Now I've already integrated one form, as you can see. So this has just appeared. And this is for me to have my newsletter signups. So people can put their name and email and subscribe to my newsletter. And that's all there is to it. So there are a few things you have to be mindful when you're doing this. With your Squarespace website, you can't do this through the basic plan. You have to be on the core plan or above. Now, the reason being is that you need to be able to inject this code, and you can only do that on the core plan and above. The basic plan won't allow you to inject your own code into the header or the footer. With MailerLite, you can have the free account. There's no problem. So that's not an issue. The other thing is the forms then have to be built on MailerLite, and you have to inject the form onto your Squarespace website. So if you have any existing forms that you built through Squarespace, they won't pull through to your MailerLite account. So when someone subscribes, you won't see that in MailerLite. You need the MailerLite form integrated into your Squarespace website. Only those forms will pull through to MailerLite.